friends. Hi. So, you probably don't know me. My name is Mellie, and I am in color guard. So, I'm out here today, and I kind of suck at rifle. So, today we're going to be working on it because I hit myself a lot, and let me show you proof. This is a bruise that I got yesterday. So, yeah. So we're going to be spinning. The only thing I can do right now are drop spins and singles, but I'm going to try to make this video entertaining. So, yeah. I'm going to have my AirPods in, so this is going to be real embarrassing. But I'm ready, and I hope you guys are too. Oh god. Oh, that was high. Oh, that was good. God. That was close to my face. No. Ew. I'm a plug at heart, this doesn't work. My tape's already getting all gross and messed up. That's not what I like. Hello, man. Oh, Jesus. That was weird. Hydration is important. Now it's time to flex on some people with my Snapchat. Just know that I'm recording. Hi, welcome back to part 11 of me hurting myself. That was bad. Ew. So that wasn't good. Hi, welcome back to Mellie hurting herself with rifle. We're gonna try for singles today. That's good. That was way underrated. My leg hurts. My thigh. I like hit the crap out of it every time. Oh my god, it's getting so much worse. I hit the crap out of it every time I push down, and now I have this huge bruise, and it's getting bigger. And that's not good. Okay, I think that's where I'm gonna end today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see another one whenever I'm actually like good and maybe can get past the single. That would be cool. I don't have any like work or choreography involving rifle because we haven't had sectionals yet, and that's whenever we learn all of that. So I'm kind of just trying to perfect stuff that's basic. Drop spins. I need to do left drop spins, but I don't even know where to start with those. This is the left drop spin. My hand just like won't. It just like sets into a toss. If you guys like this video, go ahead and follow my social media somewhere on the screen. And yeah, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a subscription. I don't care what you do. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Did you think I was gonna toss 5? Nope, I did not.